For my Strive project, I took a colorful piece of artwork, decentralized it on a data store, and converted it into an NFT. This is an amazing way of keeping track of modern digital assets. Hi, my name's Anaiyah, and I'm a 9th grade student at Singapore American School. It's really easy to create an NFT. All you have to do is create an account, link your crypto wallet, hit the create button, upload your piece of artwork, and then follow the steps to mint it as a fully fledged NFT. Now to code this artwork, I started with a point moving away from the center of the screen by increasing its radius slowly. I then changed its angle of rotation gradually by getting it to become a circular motion. Doing both at the same time makes it look like a spiral. I coded this using the RGB color system. This is red, green, and blue. I changed it so that every single time it loops, it changes the RGB colors by increasing them by 1. I can't believe how easy it was to turn my creation into an NFT. I had heard of NFTs before, but they seemed to be really advanced. But this process showed me just how easy it was.
Blockchain, NFT, decentralized ledgers, all of these are such buzzwords. And of all the people that use these buzzwords, how many can actually say they know how to own an NFT? Anaiyah is growing up in a new world, and she's decided to invest the time to learn this technology and understand what this is about. I'm sure many other young students will get inspired by her to go out and learn more about this technology.
Link your crypto wallet. Sorry, I keep forgetting that one. To be some really extreme, sorry, I keep saying really extremely. I created a beautiful artwork. I keep forgetting what the next one is.